So why is it that ddx of E, why is it equals to 0? In fact, why is it that ddx of ln2, why is it equals to 0? By the end of this video tutorial, you are going to understand why. First, you need to understand what the symbols mean. But for you to be watching this video, you should have known what it means makes sense. So it means you are differentiating what is here with respect to x. So there's something called constant rule of derivative. It says that whenever we are differentiating a constant, then the result will not be nothing but 0. So let's prove it to be sure. Well, from definition of derivative, which is also called first principle, if a function f of x is equal to a constant c, which can be 8, 4, e, ln2, pi, and so on. If a function is equal to any of this value, then its derivative f prime of x is given as the limit, as change in x approaches 0, of f of x plus delta x, the minus f of x, all divided by delta x. Now, how can we determine or get f of x plus delta x? Well, if f of x is equal to c, what f of x plus delta x means, wherever we find x in f of x, we should replace with x plus delta x. Well, you notice that there is no x in f of x, so therefore f of x plus delta x, okay, let me write that on top anyway. So therefore f of x plus delta x is still equals to c. And if that is the case, the limit or the function or the derivative will now becomes the limit as delta x approaches 0 of c minus c, all divided by delta x. The first c is for f of x plus delta x, while the second one is for f of x. Perfect. Now, simplifying this forward, we can clearly have the limit as delta x approaches 0 of 0 over delta x, which this entire will become 0, and by the time we multiply the limit, we'll end up with 0, generally speaking. And this is the reason why the derivative of any constant is equal to 0, which is shown out. So you just need to know how to identify what you have to learn with, either it's a constant or a function. As soon as you can see a number standing on its own without a variable being attached to it, and also if you are seeing a symbol which is serving as a constant, then keep in mind that its derivative is nothing but 0. Now you understand why the derivative of e and ln2 is equal to 0. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.